So hey guys, right? There's a tree that fell down right there. You can't see it, it's behind right there. And yeah, we're getting a massive storm right now. The doors aren't opening. That's how bad this storm is. My God, look at that. Dude, this is just Mother Nature, man. But like, oh my God! Yo, it's good that I can hold the phone straightly. So good. Oh my God. So yeah, I'm just giving you a view of what I'm seeing right now. If you guys live in a different country and you don't have this, I'm just giving you guys a view of what I see right now outside. And this is some bad stuff. Oh my God. Hey, Brooklyn.